Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Dreaming of rich, creamy butter chicken? This beloved dish, famous for its incredible flavor, might seem complex, but it's surprisingly simple to make right in your own kitchen. You'll need chicken, of course, along with butter, cream, and a few essential spices. Gathering your ingredients before you begin makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. The secret to tender, flavorful chicken is a good marinade. First, cut your chicken into bite-sized pieces, then prepare a simple mixture of yogurt, ginger, garlic, and a blend of spices. Coat the chicken thoroughly in this mixture, ensuring every piece is covered. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes or even a few hours for deeper flavor, as this step truly makes a difference. Now, let's create the heart of our butter chicken, the rich, aromatic sauce. Begin by sautéing finely diced onions until they're golden and soft. Then, stir in fresh ginger and garlic, cooking them until fragrant. Next, add your ground spices, toasting them briefly to release their incredible aromas, followed by crushed tomatoes. Let this simmer gently until the tomatoes break down and the mixture thickens beautifully. With our sauce base ready, it's time to bring everything together. Pan-fry your marinated chicken until it's nicely browned and almost cooked through. Now, carefully add the cooked chicken to your simmering tomato sauce, stirring gently to combine. Finally, stir in the butter and cream, allowing them to melt and blend into the sauce, creating that signature velvety texture. Let it all simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes, letting the flavors truly meld. Your homemade butter chicken is now ready to be enjoyed. Garnish your dish with fresh cilantro for a pop of color and freshness. It pairs wonderfully with fluffy basmati rice, warm naan bread, or even some fresh roti to soak up all that incredible sauce. This classic Indian dish is perfect for a cozy family dinner or entertaining friends. We hope you love tasting your very own restaurant-quality butter chicken at home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.